Morning, boys. Oh, fucking me. What we saying, man? We saying, boys, and we just said the announcement through. Get rid of that as well. We just sent through the announcement, boys. Oh, mate. Defo got COVID as well, 100%. What we saying, boys? Sending the announcement in, boys. What we saying, boys? Let me know what pairs we're looking at, man. I'm just sending in the announcements real quick. Yeah, chat, let me just quickly send the announcements in. Two, six. How do I get rid of the fucking background, bro? There we go. Oh, mate, I feel fucking... I feel like I'm on fucking death's door, mate. Yeah, boys, let me know what pairs we're trading, man. Morning, Jed. Morning, Trap. Morning, Daniel. Morning, Universe. Troy. Kian, what you saying? Nicola, Sav, what you saying? Oh, my God, bro. I feel fucked. Yeah, boys, let me know what pairs we're trading, man. Morning, Jed. Morning, Trap. Fuck me, bruv. Short dicks, why AUGU? Let me wait for this fucking story to upload. Could you fucking upload, please, mate? Yeah, EU and G don't really look that great, man. Just mad consolidating. It's a bit risky to be getting in. Alright, but sweet. Oh, alright. What are you saying, man? What are we saying? Oh, fuck me, boys. Fucking hell. I feel so fucked. So fucked. Don't know if I'm going to be able to do the full fucking 4 hours today. I'll see how it goes. Morning, Pranam. What are you saying? Tabito, Daniel, Morgan, Evan, Kingin, Slater. What are you saying, Daniel? EUG buys, EU buys. Everyone's spamming EUG buys, so let's have a look at them. EU buys. Don't know, man. Not for me. How come you're looking at EU buys? What's your bias behind that? Yeah, I don't know. I really don't like the look of EU buys, to be honest, boys. Don't like the look of them at all. Sales are way looking way better. Way better. John Smith, shut up, mate. This fucking TikTok account's dead as well. I don't know what killed it, but it's dead. It's fucking dead. Yeah, I'd way more be looking at sales on this, I'll be real. No notification on TikTok this morning. Oh, so that's why. So they're fucking not giving people notifications. That's fucking bullshit, man. So that's why. Well, that makes sense. My bias on EU is shorts. Yeah, I agree, bro. Shorts from the DTI would have been the play. These labs are the best thing all day. Appreciate that, bro. Morning, mate. The weather is crap. We are like zombies. Yeah, man. I've got fucking COVID, man. I feel like absolute shit. GU cells entered. Oh, mate. Oh, I fucking feel awful, bro. I know I've said it better times, but... Yeah, cells look nice. Just about to invert this. That's what I'll be looking for on GU, boys. More be looking at cells. What you saying, ADF? What you saying, boys? Why is no one in this fucking live? DXI filled the 1 hour gap and then break a structure. I don't really know what you mean by that. Basically, what we're seeing on to the DXY is just consolidation. People can take what they will from it, but we've had that big old rally for the first few days, and then price is just accumulating. So it's the exact same for GU. We had the big sell-off and then just pure accumulation. EU, big sell-off and then just pure accumulation. So you can gauge as much as you want from it, but the only real bias that I would really have is that we're in obviously a downtrend, so we should be looking for sells. Same with GU, we're in a downtrend, so we should look for sells. And obviously same DXY, we're in an uptrend, so we should look for buyers. But yeah, GJ does look nice, in my opinion, for them sells. Let's just double check the news. Yeah, we don't have news till 1:30 as well, so we are pretty safe for now. Pretty safe for now. Bro, why the fuck is there 60 people in this live? Okay, there's more. Just didn't update. Alright, everyone double tap the screen, man. If you're not in this live, then you ain't getting the fucking giveaway entry. We just announced that, actually. It's only fair enough as well. I mean, if you lot are actually locked in with us, man, the new man should win it, not them. Don't want it to be some random dickhead. You know what I mean? That should boost the numbers up. But yeah, I'll be looking at sales, man, for this. We'll see if we get another rejection from the DTO. You can see we've rejected from the DTO quite a few times now. Morning action. What about us on the YouTube? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You been on the YouTube, like, bro, what day and times are your live starting? Tried a few different days, but couldn't find you. I'm live every day at 8:30, bro. 8:30. Has your Asia low not broke yet? For EU it has. But you can see, so we swept the high, swept the Asia high. We got that confirmation, so we just want a retracement and then to get that short. This actually looks pretty nice, to be fair. A lot of people don't trade Fridays, which is kind of cope in my opinion. But yeah, shorts are looking nice, man. See the DTO entry, that's why we have two entries, man. We've got the ALG, which is what we're seeing on GU, as I said, where we've swept the high, swept the Asia high, had our confirmation, so we're looking to sell down to the Asia low. And then on EU, we're seeing our other entry, which is obviously the DTO continuations, where price already makes a move. We retrace, and then we retrace to the DTO, and then the DTO starts moving again, and then obviously it's just up to you to find a POI near to the DTO, such as here, then enter the trade. I was more looking for the GU sell because it goes in line with the actual trend, which is bearish. Although to be honest, there's not really massively a bias. As we said, it's kind of just chopping up and down, so nothing too major to look at in terms of a bias. Hopefully GU can chill out and come back up though. That would be nice. I was kind of looking at GJ as well for buyers. GJ for buyers does look nice. The end basket's just not really aligned. I mean, again, if we look at price action, in my opinion, it does look more bullish in terms of sweep of the Asia low. Obviously, not Asia low. Sweep of this low, a nice rally, and then price returning to this order block. So we should really start to move off of it. But again, in these times where it's just kind of accumulating, it's the same thing. We had a big sell-off, and then really we've just been accumulating, just been moving sideways. Haven't really done anything. So all you can really gauge from it is you kind of got to dumb it down a little bit, and you can't look at it too much in detail. Bro, how the fuck is there 79 people on this live? Is that a joke? Is it actually a fucking joke? Last Friday we had 220 people. Big up to everyone on this YouTube live who's here, man. You man are the real ones. Had a crazy sell on EU, melting now. Yeah, that's true. It's true. Yo, chat, I'm getting a code for Equity Edge, by the way. So if you men ever want Equity Edge accounts, I can get you a discount on them. So yeah, basically what I was saying about the yen is we can't take it too much price action wise. All I'd say is, so we've swept this low. We tried to have a rally up. You can see we got this rejection. We couldn't break past these old highs. So obviously the sweep, the rally. The rally was unable to break past these highs, which also shows us through this wick. Here, it was a very big wick. Obviously, majority of the candle was this wick, which shows obviously rejection. And that it doesn't have enough strength to actually break higher. And then when we look at price action around it, you can see since that wick we've been making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So basically prices failed to break higher at this point, and ever since we've just been moving down. So my bias, as much as price action does kind of look bullish, you got to really dumb it down in these scenarios because it is accumulation, so you can see shit that's not really there. So I'd just be looking for sells on UJ. Where the best point to sell is a different matter. You can see we have just come into the premium. So I would really be looking to sell from an order block in the premium, which this one is. So therefore I'll be looking for buyers on EUGU. Sorry, EJGJ. And looking at it, we've just filled this imbalance. So I want to see now how we react off this imbalance. If we have a nice reaction, we could be looking at longs pretty soon. So this is the imbalance. Do we have any 2 minute? We don't really have any fair value gaps, to be fair. Where are we aiming for as well? Let's think about a target as well. So let's first think about a target on the M basket. Well, really on the M basket, we want it to at least come close to breaking this low on the 2nd of March. So that will be 2nd of March. Yeah, be this high here. To be fair, at least it's not this massive high. So yeah, our target really will be up here. So yeah, if we do have a nice reaction, even if we wait for a close above this candle, let's assume we do wait for a close above this candle, it's still going to be more than enough RR to enter. And you do want to have a safe stop loss on GJ, as we fucking learned yesterday. What do you think on GU short? Yeah, I like it, bro. That's the main thing I'll be looking at. It's annoying we can't really wait for it. Yeah, what I'd really wait for, I suppose, is a 1 minute change of character or market structure shift. So if we break this high, come down a little bit, then I'll have my limit placed on. Probably I'll just have my limit on 50% of the range, to be fair. Won't try and overcomplicate it. It's the 1 minute time frame after all. So I'll be looking for price to come in here, then you go long. Big up to everyone in this live, innit? Big up to everyone in this live. You man are the real ones. There's less than 100 man in here, which is first time we've had less than 100 man in a long time. It's because it's bad price action and it's a Friday, but really, bro? Fucking really? Oh, bro, for fuck's sake. I'd still be looking to enter this. Mate, seriously. Kind of want to aim for something a bit deeper now, though. I mean, yeah. I'd just hold this, to be fair. Hopefully this can come back in. Oh, bro, as if this is running fucking so quickly. Fucking hell. Yeah, I don't think we're actually going to get an entry on GJ. I think it's running. Yeah, it's gone. GJ's gone without us, boys. So that's GJ fucked. GJ absolutely biblically fucked. If we're redoing our entry, yeah, we're going to have to aim for something a bit more now. So I'd still have my TP on that high. Sorry, my stop loss on that high. Your TP now would have to be on this low right here. Which, 30 pips is quite a lot for GU, but it's not out of the question. So yeah, boys, that's what I'll be looking for. Bruv, it's actually, how the fuck is there less than 100 people in this live? That's the first time we've had that in this year, I think. I was down 5%, now back to 1.5%. Lovely, bro. I've been in EU cells. I've been in EU and GJ cells. Nice, man. EU cells are cooking right now. Cooking right now. Fuck me. Isn't that GU? Yeah, GU, I mean, boys. GU. This is GU. Bro, this is actually depressing me looking at this fucking stream with 86 or 90 people on it. Bro, come on now. It's a fucking joke. It's basically like doing a concert to like 3 or 4 people. It's fucking embarrassing. Okay, yeah, that's why we wait for our confirmation. Holy shit. Okay. Let's redo this now. Right, now we've got this order block we're looking for confirmations from. It's quite a big retracement though, I can't lie. Again, we can wait for an IFEG. If we get that, we get that. It's looking kind of cooked though, boys. The markets are looking chopped right now. Yeah, they're looking chopped, bruv. But the yen basket hasn't actually done anything. It's just a pound being weak, isn't it? Should really look for UJ buyers, to be fair. Anyone got any ideas for UJ buyers? Got this imbalance here. I don't know if we're going to be able to come all the way down to it, though. Quite a tight stop. Aiming for the high there. I've completed that CRT though. Respect them lower ones, son. Yeah, trust me. Big up to the lower ones. It's just pissing me off, man. Fucking 89 people. I don't know why we're back here. We was doing well at one point. It was on like 180 average. Now we're down to 90 fucking people. Now we're down to 90 people in this. Okay, bruv, let's get some more, man, in this live. Everyone drop a like on the stream, man. Everyone fucking comment. I'll be real. If we don't jump over 100, man, I'm just gonna come off. I ain't fucking sitting here to. I mean, I do rate you, man, for actually tuning in, but I feel fucked. Not sitting here for fucking 3 or 4 people. Like, respectfully. Let's get over 100 man in here in the next, like, before 9:30, innit? We'll give it 15 minutes to pop off a bit. Markets do actually look decent. I mean, they're not the cleanest price action-wise, but at least there's fucking volume. This GJ is fucking so annoying. Sorry, GU. Why do I keep calling it GJ? Just didn't give us a second to enter. How many people were watching yesterday's live? Let's have a look. Oh, wait. 2.1k. But this is what I'm saying, last fucking Friday was one of the best lives we've had. And we didn't even do a giveaway. Now we're running the giveaway and there's less people. Do you man not like free account? Anyway, you man that are in here now, I'll stop moaning because you lot are actually the real ones. Fuck everyone else. Morning, Peugeot. What you saying, bro? What chart is that for buyers, mate? What chart is that on the buyers? UJ, bro. Morning, Lou. Learning lots from you. Keep going, bro. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. She was like, fuck you guys. There's no catching me today. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Like, holy shit. There was the only real entry there was on the 1 minute, obviously off that little order block here. That was the only one. Other than that, I mean, these two 15-minute, well, this one 15-minute candle, 17 pips. Damn, bro, don't no hate us like that. No, I rate you. Everyone who's in here, I rate. Everyone who ain't can fuck off. For real. You man that's in this live, you man are real. That's why if you're in this live, drop a comment so I actually know who the real ones are. If you're in this live, drop a comment so I know who the real ones are. So I know who the reals are. If you ain't in this live, I don't even really call you a community member at this point. Fuck it. I need to try and energize myself, bro, because I need to try and energize, and there's only one song that's really going to be able to do it. We next up. Hey. Brother, Alpha Future's actually trying to take the piss out of me as well. Swear to God, bro. I've been waiting to get the Alpha Future's fucking 200k account for so long. Bro, my cat... Bro, my cat keeps meowing. Luckily, I hit TP already. Hopefully UJ can come down a bit and we can actually get an entry. UJ does look actually nice. Me up next. Sorry for calling you long neck, Lou, but nice to see you running with it, bro. I'll run with anything. You got to absorb the aura. You can't try and push shit away. You got to absorb it. Trust. It's like this big neck. I don't place on Fridays, but I'm here, Lou. Big up, Sam. Big up, Sam. Big up, Drift King. Big up, Jono. Big up to Kuz, Jed, Daniel, Vgok, Phil. Big up you, man. Alex, big up to you, bro. Let's go. Big up Pranam. Big up Daniel. Big up Troy. Big up Dodgy. Big up Flow State. Big up Corey's. Big up Alex. Big up Drift King. Big up V-Gok. Daniel. Jed. Zakuds, what you saying? Would have been some quick bans early this morning. Right now we'd be like, yeah, Luke, close the fucking stream. We already made bread. Yeah, trust me. That's the thing. Sometimes live execution can be good. I'm actually going to do a YouTube video where I actually dive into this. Because I feel like, chat, if I just will look for one-to-ones, I would near enough never lose a trade. Like, my win rate would be insane. Do you know what I mean? I don't even know right now. Oh, bruv. 100 people in a live. Come on, Pranam. GJ buys looks more likely after the sweep of the low on the 15. Let's have a look at GJ again. I'm looking for buys on GJ. What do you think? Yeah, me too, bro. Come on, Lou. Always here. Big up Danny, man. Big up Danny. Big up everyone who's in here, boys. You man are the reals. Man are the real G's. We are seeing price kind of stall right now. We need price to have some volume in it and break above, close above these highs. We'll look to enter on the retap. Shuddy said, I'm the next big thing. Shut the fuck up. What's up, these big things? Let me try and, because I used to do this as well, which was quite good. I feel like that's quite good, so you man can actually see the chat on screen. You see how it looks. Yeah, I'm rating that. Big me up, bro. Big up Deep Focus, man. Big up Clint. Big up One Ball. Yo, Lou, what's your theme song called? It's called Brother Louie. Big up Lou. Appreciate that, bruv. Do you place trades on Friday? Yeah, bro. We next up. Come on, bro. Great live. Appreciate that, Statch. But JPY basket just inverted that 1 hour FEG. Yeah, the M basket's a bit here, there, and everywhere. I had next up song stuck in my head all day yesterday, bruv. Me too. Dead ass. Dead ass had that stuck in my head, which is poor, really. But it is a fucking good song. What's a good song that's just going to get the vibes going? Let me just put on some fucking... You know what? Bro, GU for fuck's sake. Looks clean, my guy. Remember me. Cool, Salam. Big up to you, bro. Yeah, GU's absolutely fucking dumping. Holy. Whenever it slows down, it could be a good opportunity for buyers, but I'm not that confident on anything. Yeah, people saying about the yen basket on the 1 hour. I mean, yeah, we did invert this fair value gap here. But we do have this one here, which is more premium, which you didn't invert. And you can't really gauge too much from the higher time frame. As we said, all I'm really seeing is basically a sweep of this low, sweep of that low, and then price tried to push higher, but I couldn't break past these highs. We had a big rejection with that big wick. And since then, if we go on the lower time frame, since that big rejection, we're making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. Which tells me price is going to still remain bearish, and it doesn't have the strength to really have a sustained bull run. So obviously the yen basket down, which means we want to look to buy GJ. So UJ is the most optimal because it's like the dollar's actually strong, but man, that's the Diddy candle dump. Yeah, bro. Tune, come on, bro. How do you win the 100k account live? If you've sent me a DM or you sent Mace a DM, then you'll be entered, bro. Just send me or Mace a DM. It's probably easier to DM Mace right now, just so you can put your name down straight away. Mate, I actually might, like, genuinely put glasses on. Just because my eyes are actually bare hurting, bruv. I'm trying, chat. I've got to keep the streak going. We can't really miss a day of live. Then that's just encouraging you, man, to miss a day of trading, which just shouldn't be done. I'm just going to leave these on, bruv. I can barely see the chat now. It's actually jarring. GU sells was prediction. Yeah, I do like GU sells. I do like GU sells, but it's just unlikely that price is going to come all the way up now. Obviously, when it was like up here, then it was very close. We only had to move a few pips, but now we're all the way down here. Bit unlikely. Let's have a look at gold. That gold just ended up getting bummed. Gold actually looks alright. Gold's just a mad pair though, isn't it? Looking like a movie star. Come on, bro. Holy DXY, bro. WTF is DXY doing? Return of long neck. What is DXY doing? Oh, yeah, still just pumping. Yeah, man. DXY is just not slowing down. Where does it feel like? Where does it feel like? Why does it feel so good? Mate, getting COVID just reminded me I need to get out of this country. I can't actually see my other monitor with these on, which is fucking jarring. Getting COVID reminded me, bruv, I need to get out of this country, bro. I've been in here for too long. Way too long. UK citizens can stay in Italy for up to 90 days with any 180-day period without a visa for tourism. This is a rolling 180-day rule, meaning you must count back 180 days from any date of exit. Wait, what? Okay, so 90-day limit. Okay. Calm. So good. That's what I need, bro, for real. Shades inside, you're looking sweet with them on. Kiss, kiss. These are actually cold. Like, no, it's just because my eyes, bro, are fucking bare hurting, man. I've been in this fucking country for too long, man. Too long, I swear to God. Need to get out, bruv. You men are gonna have to help me today, bruv. You men are gonna have to look at some gaffs in Italy for me to fucking go to. Play Katy Perry next, bro. I'll bang her on next. I can't lie, I've just got my Spotify on shuffle, I'm pretty sure. This ain't a life. Fuck's sake, really? Mate, strange price action, I'm not going to lie. We are getting nice rejections, but... I don't know, the end basket is moving weird. Obviously, we do have another order block up here, which could potentially be tapped into, so we do want to be careful. But if we do get the confirmations, then we will enter. Barely even swept the low. I'm pretty sure that's the same price point. Okay, we swept it by 1 micro pip, so we barely actually swept that low. Let's go on a 1 minute again. Alright, nice. We've now got obviously another fair value gap. At least we're making decent structure. So we've got shit to actually wait for. You can see we're actually making clean. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. So as soon as we start making higher lows and breaking out of these lower highs, we can look to buy. That's what you really want. At least it's clean price action. So it's annoying that we haven't been breaking shit, but at least we can wait for us to do it. Everything's just ran. Yeah, trust me. Anyone getting EU? Yeah, did anyone get in GU? If you did, you're a G. Ooh. If you did get in GU, you are a G. The thing trading GJ is if you catch a good directional entry, you'll love to play. Everything's just ran. Yeah. By the way, chat. Let me explain how this giveaway is going to work. Yeah, promoted, yeah. All of my friends love money going, yeah. Da, 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 da. You somebody, alright, so chat, how it's going to work. How it's going to work is if you're just a free member of the community, you get put into one 25k account giveaway. If you're a new member that joins this week, you get put into a separate 25k account giveaway just for people that join this week. So just people that joined either the mentorship or signals this week will get put into their own separate giveaway for a 25k account. And the other 25k and the other two 25ks are going for existing members. So essentially, if you're just watching now as a free member, you get a giveaway of one 25k account. If you're a new member that joined this week, then you get put into all 4 giveaways because you get in the obviously free giveaway, the new joiners giveaway, and the 2 existing member giveaways. And if you are an existing member that's always been a part of us, then obviously you get into the free giveaway and the 2 existing member giveaways. So the best way to get entered into all 4 giveaways and the highest chance to actually win one of these accounts is to join this week, join the team this week. So if anyone has been contemplating getting in the mentorship, I'm not gonna lie, you've got a massive chance of winning a 25k as well. So it's the best time to join right now. You get put into 4 giveaways, so your chances of winning goes up probably 10x, because you've got to think with a free giveaway, there's probably going to be about 200, 300 entries. Whereas in the new joiners giveaway, there's probably only going to be about 4 or 5 entries. So you've got like a 25% chance of actually winning that. And the existing, there's probably about 100 entries. So you probably got, yeah, you got like a good amount of chance of winning that. So if you join the mentorship now, your chances of winning the giveaway goes up like, yeah, at least 10x, if not like 20x. That's if you join the mentorship, boys. Yo, we've had a signal sent in. I didn't actually realise we had a signal sent in. Let's mark it out. We have actually had an entry. Stop loss is 6793. That does look nice, to be fair. Where's the TP at? 86924. Okay, yeah, we have actually had an entry sent into the signals. And in my opinion, this is a very risky one. We have taken out a good amount of liquidity, though, I'll be real. We have taken out all of this liquidity here. We've taken out all of that liquidity. What I'm looking for, in order for this trade to really play out nicely, is price to re-enter this trading zone. So price to re-enter into this trading zone, and then we can be pretty sure that we're happy to remain there. Again, in terms of volume, if we put on the volume indicator, you can see there's very high volume within these points. So we got the POC, POC, POC. You see, I started this shit. Looking too good. I see pull a mark in it. Yeah, so you can see there's clearly higher volume above, obviously, these lows. So price isn't really going to want to trade lower if it doesn't have to. It's ideally going to want to remain in these areas of high volume. Specifically, the previous days. The previous days. Value area. So essentially, if you don't know how the volume works, so you got this little curve thing which basically shows you how much volume was at each point. You've then got this high and low. This shows you where 70% of the volume was expended, so we call that the value area. And then we've got this orange line, which is the point of control, which is where the most volume was expended. So if you look at the previous day, the value area is here. So we would expect price to want to retrade back into that. And then obviously, ideally, the point of control as well. So let's have a look. But yeah, this was sent in as a signal. So hopefully we can re-enter this value area. But yeah, boys, if you are trying to get in a mentorship, just send me a DM now saying mentorship and I can get you in there straight away. I'll even do you a discount just because I want you, man. If you're in this live, as I said, man, fuck everyone who ain't in this live. If you, man, are in this live, actually big up to you, man, heavily. So if you send me a DM saying mentorship now, I'm going to give you a fucking... every day, when you stay out of the way. I'm going to give you a 25% off whatever service. I'm currently going to run, fuck it. Actually, I'm going to run a 25% off mentorships and 50% off signals. So if you do want to get in, boys, just drop me a message right now. And as I said, you get entered into all 4 giveaways. Right now, if you do join, as I said, you get put into that separate giveaway just for mentorship students. Just for new joiners, sorry. Lovely. As I said, we really want to close back within this above these lows and within this value area. Let's mark on the POC again though, from the prior day. So this is the point of control right here. Let's mark on the DTO as well. Just send me a DM right now. I'll send you the link and I'll send you your discount code. And I'll get you in right now. I'll give you a fucking discount code and I'll get you in so you get all 4 entries. What's the cost for mentorship and signals? So with the discount, what I'm about to give you, mentorship will be £30 and signals will be £100. Obviously that's for your first month, and obviously if you don't like your first month then you can just leave, so we don't tie you up for a long period of time or anything. I'm getting a few DMs right now. This was sent into the signals as well, so let's see how this one plays. As I said, we want a nice candle close with him. back within this area, ideally above the point of control, but as long as it's above the value area low, we should be good. So just to go over the two, I've only had 2 trades in the signals as well this week. You probably see me plot out a load of trades, but I've only actually sent 2 into the signals. I'll show you right now. So I had this GU trade which stop lost with half risk. And then I had this trade right here which hit TP. So 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 loss. And we ended up netting 1.8% for the week. And then obviously we've had this one sent in, which is the only other trade I do believe. As I said, £30 gets you in the mentorship. That's over 100 videos. That's access to my live streams every day. I'm live every day for 2 hours with the members before we jump on live. That's also with 100 videos on completely on everything that I trade, and 30 of those being specifically on my 2 strategies: DTO continuations and ALG reversals. And that's all for £30 in the mentorship. That's the best time to get in, and you get access to 4 giveaways right now. Bear in mind, there's only like 3 people in the new members giveaway right now, so you've got like a 25% chance of winning a 25k account. Is this song the boy that played harp? Nah, this is called Screwface Capital. What pair is this? TikTok won't let me message you. Just drop me a message on Instagram. Drop me a message on Instagram or on Discord. My Instagram is Richesse FX. So just drop me a message on Instagram and I'll get back to you straight away. Actually, let me follow you so you can message me. Do your mates trade the exact same method? Yeah, bro. Obviously, we do see different biases sometimes, but the way we trade is the exact same. EUG, you just selling off, man. Yeah, it's going to be very hard to try and catch it. We're going to have to reassess, really. You can see fuck me, the amount of times I've had to move this. How many pips is this? This has got to be, what, like 40 pips? From this, like, ITR. Yeah, 36 pips. GU. 49. Fuck me, that's 50 pips with literally no kickback. Right, the end basket had that big push. Right, it's kind of better. The lower it gets, the better it is for us, bearing in mind. Bear that in mind. I'm trying to think where is an actual good entry on this. I mean, this fair value gap down here will be good if we can come into it. Reason being is we've got a lot of equal lows here. A lot of equal lows come into and then price to rally off. Let's wait for the close of this. It's going to be important on the close. We've got 2 minutes left. I knew I needed you so. If I had the chance, I'd never let you go. See, we are having a reaction off the POC. As I said, we just basically want to close above this. If we can close above this, it will basically confirm to me that we're establishing that we don't want to go for lower prices. Because obviously these are, if we go on the 1 hour, where we've got all these lows. So we know price is happy trading within it. But yeah, we've swept all these lows. So we're looking to close back within. If we can close above that, it will show rejection of these lower prices. That song from Dirty Dancing, great film. Yeah, trust me, great film. We can't follow which pair you're analysing. I mean, it's a... there you go. It says in the bottom right now, bro. Possible re-entries on EG, I'm assuming you mean. Possible re-entries would probably just be on this order block here. On that order block right there. I have my stop loss on this low as well, because now we've left that level, we shouldn't really need to come any lower. If we come below this wick, I think we will just come to that low. So that's what I'll be going for. And then, yeah, TP at the high like this. That would be my re-entry. Be my little baby. This will be a nice dub for the signal chat though, if we can. Boys, if you are trying to pass a funded account as well, just lock in with the signals, man. Literally, I'm offering out 50% out right now, so you've got to pay £100. And you're basically near enough guaranteed to pass a funded account. Like, it's a no-brainer in my opinion. So if this hits TP, then that will be 2.3R plus my 1.7. So basically 4% for the week. Basically 4% for the week. You might as well join the signals for 50% off. 100 quid 1 month. Partially funded account, and then if you want to leave after that, then leave. It's literally a no-brainer, especially for a discount as well. Like, send me a DM, boys. My DMs will be open to anyone trying to get in. Sorry, 2 secs. Everyone who's messaging me, I'm getting back to you right now. GJ is open. Let's have a look at GJ. Okay, at least we're going a bit higher, so we're confirming that we are going for these higher prices. Alright, cool. So I think this is going to get rejected. So yeah, looks like we're going to get a lot better of an entry. To be fair, what we've done well, chat, is we haven't jumped in stupidly yet on anything. Which is good. UJ, okay, nice. Hopefully that rally means UJ can actually come down a bit. This is what I mean about dominant pairs, though. You can see, even though the yen basket's fucking so, even though the yen basket's really strong, UJ being strong is just bodying it. That's the issue with trading 2 dominant pairs. What about gold? I'm looking really at gold buys. What about GU? GU's just dropped too heavily, man. GU's kind of too difficult to enter right now. I was looking at entries up here, but now we've just dropped way too much. It's going to be unlikely to come back in. Okay, not the best close, to be honest. Not the best. Not the best close. The bills, y'all. GU's going to go down further. Yeah, I agree, bro. GU. Yeah, GU's kind of gone right now, bro. It's kind of dropping too heavily. Responded to your message last night. I appreciate you just waiting on that link. Sweet, bro. Where are you? Trying to look for you. This? What's your name again? Oh, Shay? Oh, no, I found you. 2 secs, boys. I DM'd you on there, bro. Wait, where kids? On Discord or on IG or on Tiki? Mungo. Is that you? Mungo Invest? Okay. $100 bills, y'all. Lovely chat. Let's have a close above this high as well. We're running nice. Insta. Yeah, Gids, is your thing Munga Invest? Is that you? Everyone, I'm trying to reply to all you man right now. One thing I've figured about GU and EU right now is for sells. Anticipate GU taking out initial highs before dumping, and anticipate EU taking out sell side liquidity before pumps. Yeah, Jay, that's this given SMT divergence. Yeah, man, that's the good thing about SMT. And when you have our two strategies, which is obviously we have the DTO continuations. It's the DTO here, so we have DTO continuations and ALG reversals. It makes that SMT really easy to take advantage of, but yeah, that's nice. If a crashing is cool. Man, it's cool. Man, RIP the juice. Sweet boys, and you man are gonna have a fucking huge chance. I'll be real. Nah, bro, it's Gids01. Oh, on Instagram, sweet. Tape funnels lying every day. Sitting at the club. Get it out the block. Sweet, bro. I'm replying to everyone as quick as I can, boys. I don't really trade EG, which is nice to have Signal members that actually do. AC, ACAD played very well with Asia high sweep. Yeah, nice. This is really nice as well for the volume. To be fair, we caught that 4 hour really nice. This is nice for the volume. Because typically what we have is we'll have a volume area here, high volume area here, and one also down here. So you know when we reject this, which it looks like we have, we know where we're trading into. It'll be the POC of this range. So if I draw that on. So if we draw that on. So we'll normally trade into the POC. Hopefully this hasn't been met yet so we can still get more sells. Wow, we're literally just tapped into it as I said that. Yeah, we could potentially aim for the low, the value area low. I messaged you yesterday. Sweet, bro. I'll get back to that ASAP. Right now, but I admit I do sometimes. Calling me to one more line down. Yo, Escanor, if you've DM'd me, bro, it's not letting me actually accept your friend request. We could have it all. Everyone. What indicator do you use for the? It's not an indicator, bro. It's just if we go on here, it's just a chart type called session volume profile. My head's in the way. Just that there. Heavy rejection there. That's not the best. Should reject off these lows. I crashed into the wall. In my blood, don't call me Mo, don't hold me. 2 secs. Let me check your name, what it was. What was your Insta? And Gids01. What do you think of the Iran war? I don't know, man. What do you mean, what do I think about it? I mean, war's war, innit? It's not good, but it's one of them things. I seen my nan yesterday. She bare said something. I was like, you know what? That's actually true. You know, and the Americans like, oh, but she was like, oh, I was watching the news and this guy from America was like I think it was probably Pete Hegseth, but she didn't know it was. And she was saying, he said like, oh, we hit the boat with a torpedo and now they're toast. And she was saying like, bro, what horrible way to like to speak about people. Like, that's 170 people that they've just killed. Like, what a horrible way to actually talk about people. I get it, war's war, but like, they're toast. Like, that's just horrible. And at the end of the day, they're not the ones that started the regime. They're just doing their job. Like, they're just soldiers. And I don't know about you, but everyone's grandparents fucking bear rates soldiers. Well, at least mine do. It's actually peak. Like, they just refer to them like they're nothing. Like, they ain't the bad guys. They're just doing their job, innit? It's fake. I woke up the following day and went out on. Opinions on taking that trade for UG re-entry? UJ re-entry? Yeah, nice, bro. If we can come back down, definitely. I think... let's have a look at the end basket. Yeah, I think it's really nice, bro, to be honest. I'll be more than happy to place this. We know that the dollar's strong. The end basket is also kind of strong, but we are planning for it to be weak at some point. So hopefully by the time we actually get to this limit, JPY is ready to reverse and be kind of weak, which will mean this will just fly. Right, everyone who's dropped me a message, boys, I'm just getting your codes ready right now. What are you saying, Jim Bob? I'm all good, man. We're getting these bullish candles, but the closes are kind of not the best. We only need, though, really, how much? Yeah, like 5 pips away from TP. Come on. This will be a really nice end to the week for the signals. It's fake. What do you mean it's fake, bro? What do you think about the Euro GBP trade if it comes back to entry like you said? Yeah, nice, man. Yeah, it does look nice, in my opinion. It does look nice. I feel like the fact that we've rallied this high tells us we should really at least come into the DTO. Even if we come into the DTO and sell off, I do still think the DTO needs to be met. So, as long as it comes in before, or where was it? I forgot these fucking glasses were on my head. As long as it comes back up, or as long as it comes to entry before the DTO's hit, I think we're still good. You think UJ clears out this low resistance liquidity or fills out, or resistance level or fakes out? Yeah, I think we'll be able to break out of these, to be honest, bro. We have got a lot of equal highs here. We've got this high, this high, this high. I do think we'll eventually break through. I mean, there's nothing stopping the dollar right now, man. It's just so strong. As I said, hopefully the dollar can like have a little bit of a pullback, just so this UJ can actually come in. Not liking these big rejections from this area, though. Go. Yeah, the re-entry would be on this UJ sells. I'll be waiting for buyers when we come back in, bro. We're waiting for price to retrace and then have buyers. I think we're so bullish on the dollar, we don't really want to be fading it against anything. See, this fair value gap lines up bang on to the OTE. Still going. I think we should really come higher. Yo, chat, I'm just waiting on these discounts. I'm waiting for someone to send me over these discount codes. So if you have sent me a DM and you're waiting to get signed up, don't worry, I will remember you. I'll make sure you're into that extra giveaway and I'll get you signed up straight away with that code. I'm just waiting on receiving that code. I'm waiting on who? Let me tell you, I'm waiting on Gids, Nord Power, SB Capital, and Mungo. Kim as well. And Kim, yep, Kim as well. Let me make a list of this. Turn it to my heart. 2 secs. I think Jim Bob's gone stop loss or break even at this point. Yes, I'm making a list, boys, of everyone to send these codes to. Oh, what? Oh. S Capitals, Manga as well. Discord, 1-to-1, no, Mentorship. Gids, you wanted the Mentorship, didn't you? RG, Mentorship. And also, who else was it? There was someone else. Nordic Power. I think it's too personal. That's what I love your comment to me yesterday. Really appreciated the concern. No worries, bro. Clearly kept you up at night. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram. Hi, haters. Alright, nice. We're getting rejection back off this, which is nice. Didn't sleep all night. Fucking hell, bruv. Mate, can you just send me the code, bruv? Clearly know what it is. Right, just makes it a little bit longer. Nice push up there, boys. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's why I got Twitter phone. We want to break past, obviously, these. Keep hitting this level, but we've been unable. Can I get the code, please? No worries, bro. Alright. Trying to sign you, man, up and also do this live. AUDUSD, what are you doing there? Alright, chat, give me a sec. I'm trying to message everyone and do this live at the same time. Put that on my mama. Wanna go flex? God, I'm not even. Alright, chat, I'm sending everyone out the codes right now. Let's cut all. I'm sending everyone over their codes right now. Mate, come on, can we just break past these fucking highs? Holy shit. Oh, yeah, I just wanna go flex. Gids, I'm gonna message you right now, Gids, and Nordic as well. I'm gonna message you, S Capital as well. What's this guy's name? Oh, wow. Wow, bruv. Really? Really, bruv? One fucking giga candle. Who still needs it? Nordic Power, I'm about to send it to you. Gids, I'm about to send it to you. S Capitals, I'm about to send it to you as well. It's of a rival. Yeah, I know. What on earth just happened? I mean, that other entry tapped him. Sorry, boy. I'm trying to message everyone right now. On the underground to be near you, like my housemate. Mate, I've got so many fucking pages open. It's just pissing me off. Oh my fucking god, bro. MES manga. Kim. Fucking hell, manga. Following you. Bro, look at that Diddy candle. How's your trading been this week? It's been good, bro. Been good. I'm 1.5% up, really. This was 1.7% up. So that's alright. It's standard, really. Kids, right. 2 secs, boys. We replied to Instagram. Fucking hell, I'm trying to send all these codes out to people. Fucking hell, sorry chat, I'm trying to fucking do this. I know yeah, it makes the life shit. I'm aware of that. I'm aware of that. Sorry, boys. Just trying to do all this shit. Alright, who's still waiting? Everyone should have got their code now, other than fucking Nordic. Can we just message you? To be fair, I think he had his stop loss of break even, so this one's pretty break even now, which is fucking jarring. Nearly at this order block on the yen basket, so yen pair should be ready to move soon. Alright, Nordic, let me message you right now on TikTok, bro. Lou, can I get my code? Check your TikTok chat. Can I get my code? How do I know? Yeah, let me drop you a message, bro. Right, everyone who's messaged me on TikTok, boys, I'm messaging you back now. So I apologise for the delay in actual commenting on the live, but I'm just trying to get round to everyone. I need to close. Okay, this is good. This is good. Alright, 2 secs, chat. Gold. Is this for the giveaway? Yeah, this is for the giveaway, bro. This is for the giveaway. Alright, cool. I think everyone's been sent. It says the code doesn't exist, you said. I DM'd you on Discord. Rafi. Okay, yeah, that code doesn't exist. Let me change it then. I did think that. It didn't come up when I said, but May said that was the code, so. 2 secs, boys. Alright, it works now. It works. I haven't got my code yet. Shay. Yeah, I'll drop you. Okay, yeah, that's working now. That code's working. Right, so Kim, you should have yours. S Capital, still need to send yours. Mungo, you should have yours. Gids, you should have yours. Nordic, you should have yours. And R, you should have yours as well. This is moving kind of weird right now, boys. I'm not going to lie. We did see big rejection off that, but we've tapped into it multiple times, so. Okay. Alright, anyone else is still waiting, let me know. I sent you a message on Discord yesterday. Cartier, what's your name on Discord, bro? What's your name on Discord, bro? What's the M basket saying? Yeah, we want UJ to start coming down so we can actually get an entry on it. Right, we are kind of starting to retrace a little bit. Starting to move now, starting to come down a little bit on our EU-GU, so there might be entries on that soon. The M basket, it's looking annoying right now. We should really react off this and go higher into our POI, then we can look for sells. Should really go up higher and then start to come down. So that's what I'm waiting for. Troops. What are you trying to get in, Cord? Is that mentorship or troops? Is that mentorship or signals, bro? Alright, everyone should have their code now. Apart from S Capital. Still need to do yours. Did anyone jump into the re-entry? I DM'd you on Discord. The code, yeah, bro. The code's only for if you're trying to join a mentorship or signals, bro. If you're just trying to enter the giveaway, you don't need a code, but you're only going to be entered into one giveaway. Bro, this is moving dead right now, chat. Alright, sweet. Mongo. Yeah, I'm just waiting on yours, S Capital. Don't worry, I haven't forgot you. I'm just waiting to generate it, bro. Look, how do I get in the giveaway? A message? Yeah, you're in the giveaway, bro. If you dropped us a message, you're already in there, bro. Name of the pair. It says in the bottom right, bro. This is just the yen basket right now. Come on, man. Did anyone get in on the re-entry? Yeah, Shay, I'm still going to send you your code, bro. I'm just waiting for yours. What's the code for? Code's just a discount on the mentorship or signals. If you're a free member, then you get put into one giveaway. If you join the mentorship or signals, you get put into 4 different giveaways. One of them, you got like a 50%, well, like a 40% chance of winning. Yeah, you're already entered, bro. Troops, you're already entered, bro. Nate, this is EG right now. If we're going to have a reversal on EU and GU, I'm anticipating EU taking out yesterday's low first. God, tell me we're dreaming. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Anyone looking at any other pairs right now? Let me know anyone who's looking at any other pairs. I'm in EU, 32 pits running. Where did you enter, bro? What's your plans for the weekend? Nothing, man. I'm just chilling. I'm in a mentorship, but I ain't got the tag on Discord, so I might low-key only be in one. Oh, sweet, bro. Oh, you don't have the tag? You're Troops, aren't you? Wait, Alan. Wait, send me a DM now, Alan. Is your name Troops? GJ Cells. I'm more waiting at good positioning for buyers, bro, to be honest. I don't think the end basket is going to really look to continue up anymore. I think we are probably more than likely just going to continue down. We had Yeah, we're waiting to see if we inverse this or not. We kind of want us to push up and then continue down. But we might just continue down from this. We'll wait and see. But yeah, I'll be looking at buyers on GJ.
Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line though. I'ma keep that shit step till my fucking time go. Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine though. Nigga throw me in the grave in the Ferragamo. Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Quado. Shit was so deep I had to say that with my
Just DM'd you, Gav999 UK. Sweet, bro. I'll make sure you're in there.
This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on a couple triggers. Fuck with you, why would I fuck with you? You been plotting, niggas, wasn't you? I should've been watching from the jump with you. Fuck it, this is what that jungle do. Started what I started. Anybody want a problem? This is my shit. Tell them if they want a problem. I'm from High Bridge. Got a nigga with a shotgun up in my way. Making bitches go retarded.
No worries, Alan. GU volume kicking in. Yeah, nice. Starting to actually retrace. We'll obviously be looking to enter around about this ideally this order block. But more than likely this fair value gap is going to be where we retrace to. Mate, go away. Morning, Adzi. What you saying, bro? My Tim's on, stepping over puddles full of pain. That's a big storm. My ball mains is a big storm. Gold, yeah. What are you looking at on gold? Lemon water, yeah, bro. Lemon water right there. Gold does look decent to potentially buy.
Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that
Jungle do.
That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster.
Views on AU. Very similar to all the other dollar pairs, bro. I'll just be looking to re-enter sells if we manage to get up to a nice area. If we manage to enter the discount, be looking to enter off this fair value gap right here. But really, I'd rather just enter EU, GU to be fair, bro. This song always comes on. Yeah, I think Jimbo actually went break-even on this, so I think we are out of break-even, I'm not going to lie. Did anyone get in the I don't think anyone even got in the re-entry anyway. But let me know if anyone's still in EG. EJ and GJ both going up right now. Yeah, we're just not at a great point though, man. I suppose we are coming into this order block. It's just on the yen basket. I would have rather price come a little bit higher first. I'd rather have us actually tapped into this order block. This 30-minute. But we're just going to wait until we have the inversion anyway. If we have the inversion, then we'll be good. Okay, wait. We've got 5 minutes left of the close. Any discounts on mentorship? Yeah, bro, we do have a discount right now. Send me a DM on Discord saying mentorship and I'll send you your discount code, bro. And you get entered into all 4 giveaways that we're running in the New York session. Waiting for this close below though. Yeah, send me a DM though, Adzi. It's the best time to get in the mentorship right now. Discord. Right, we've had that close below, so we really are valid on EUGU right. Sorry, EJGJ right now. So yeah, you are valid to actually jump in right now. Probably best to just live execute as well, I'll be honest. Let's check EG. Obviously, if you had to pick anything, you'd really say the pound's stronger. So I would ideally go with GJ. Just live execute that. Find a slightly better RR. Wait, let's go on the 1 minute. Okay, we've got this fair value gap here, so let's try and enter off of this. That's what I'll be looking for, man. That's what I'll try and go for. Yeah, Adzi, send me a DM, bro. What pair is that? Got a crack on my phone. GJ, bro. GJ. EU. Yeah, I'll be looking at shorts on EU, bro. I'm not really interested in catching the sells, the buyers back up. I'll more just wait till we get to a decent point and then try enter sells. I'm looking at longs from a 5 minute FVG. 5 minute IFVG. Yeah, it does look nice. The thing is, I think we've already kind of tapped into that though, that IFVG. You can see we ran away and then re-tapped it there and then sort of ran off. So how long? 24900. Wait, what's that for, bro? Yeah, I'll be looking for this fair value gap to get tapped into. It's gonna keep up. It's gonna keep up. It's gonna keep going up just short tomorrow. Hate to break it to you, bro, but tomorrow is actually a non-trading day. The market is closed tomorrow, so alright, sweet. Yeah, ads the ads. Where are you, bro? Send me a message, man. I'm waiting for you. Who's jumping in GJ then? Who's jumping in GJ? Let's see. Let's see. Shit, 2 secs. Never ever shoot below the net. I'm a vet. You got a vet. Okay. These chicks. What my aim when it gets. Tiffany. Yes. In bikini bottom, I was sandy. Getting out of brandy. In the group, you get the shit split up. Any shit, case closed. Need job codes. Can we end it now? I'd rather just place the limit on the fair value gap, bro. I'd rather just place the limit on that fair value gap, to be brutally honest with you, mate. Body's apple shots. GJ. Yeah, I'd rather just place the limit on that, bro. It's going to get a way better entry. The thing is, if you enter now, it's going to be really difficult to get a 2 to 1. I'm going to go toilet. Give me 2 secs. And you can live execute now, but as I said, your RR is just going to be nowhere near as good, so this is really sucks. What's this? This is GJ, bro. GJ. What about you, Jay? You were saying about putting sells up at a limit on. No, I'm saying about buys, bro. I'd only look to buy GJ. Oh, sorry, UJ. It's if we can manage to come down to here, but I think that's unlikely now. And you got to think it's looking very similar to all other dollar pairs, which is just this is what we basically want. We've already had the pump. We want to wait for buyers rather than try to catch the sells back down. Hopefully we can re-tap into this IFVG and then that'll be our entry. EJ inversion. We do have this 15 minutes, so that's the main thing we'll be waiting for. We've got 1 minute left for this 15 minute. Kind of similar for GJ as well. So let's see if we can close below these fair values. It'll be even greater of a confirmation. I'm feeling marvelous. tell you not a friend. Never know that. Hello, bro. How you doing? I'm all good, bro. How you doing, man? How you doing, SD? Every time we pull up, baby, it's a secret. Kind of annoying that we just filled this Fair Valley gap and now we're dumping heavy. It's not nice. I'm a hold out on my entry, chat. I'm holding out for my entry. There's no point rushing it, man. That's really annoying. I'm holding out to enter. Especially because the stop loss is quite tight as well. And do you think I should remove the limit? Yeah, in my opinion, bro, yeah. Doing great, thanks. What do you see for gold today? We want to see if we could potentially run from this 30-minute order block. See, it's kind of weird price action. We had this massive pump and then just a straight recovery all the way back down. So we'll be looking for that next move higher off of that. But you want to wait for your confirmations first. And right now, we're really not getting much. So I'd really want to wait for price to break out of this high with some decent momentum. So break out of this high, making a fair value gap when we do so. And then I'll be looking to get in. But until that, I wouldn't be going in. Gold's kind of been chopping, same as EUG. Really, it hasn't really done much since we had that big dump. We've kind of just been consolidating. So we do want to wait for good confirmations before you get in anything. Swear it's sad, JP1 moves. GJ point of control, I'm in cells right now. Fair play, bro. Man try beef my doggy, Warzone ting how I come for a party. My little nigga can't lose that cash. I drop YGs, do it like Kalani. I don't rock Gucci or Armani, ST from ST, I can't. Arab Money song next, what's that? Join the mentorship, bro. Big up to you, Rafi. Lovely, man. Welcome to the team. I'm back. Seems like my silver short is working. Unfortunately, I missed entry. Unlucky, bro, yeah. It's moving with loads of volume right now. Okay, like a HD telly. Be vocal. Search Arab Money. It's a fact. 10 to keep. How are you? I'm all good, Shane. How are you, bro? I want to really see it close above this 15 minute, to be honest. Let's wait and see, man. We got 10 minutes left of the candle. That's what I'll be waiting for. Again, there's no point rushing it. It is Friday, and we do have news at 1:30, so there's no point risking it. Good. Thanks, mate. I hope you had a decent morning. Yeah, bro. It's been decent. We haven't really had much. We was looking at GU sales, but it just ran away, and since then we've just been looking at GJ. I'll be looking for a close above this 15 minute on G. Yeah, me too, bro. Let's wait for this close. Let's wait for this close. I think most people, Skirt Arab Money, do long next song. We've already listened to that, bro. Can't lie, you should have been in the live. We listened to the same songs. Come on, bro. I caught gold buyers last night. Put it on chart check. Nice, man. Nice. I'm assuming you caught that big pump. Okay, nice. Probably off this Fair Valley gap here or something. Nice, man. Your mama crazy. No, she needs to do it. You can see me. Get impatient. Hold back the air and breathe. Shit's just dropping up and down on EG as well. Want to see it close below. How long we got left? We got 9 minutes left till the candle close. My guy, exactly that move. Lovely, bro. Ball hair, that buy limit misses. Yeah, wait. Ball hair, that buy limit misses. Lamar, wait, what? What's bro talking about? You still holding EG? I know, it signals that stop loss and break even, bro. So we're out of break even, unfortunately. It's one of them, though, boys. It is kind of better to be safe rather than sorry, but... I can't lie, gold shorts are looking good right now. Where are you looking to get in on, Deep Focus? Where are you getting in, bro? Alright. Nothing to lose. Far away, far away. Again, we're going to wait for these closes. We've got 7 minutes left. 7 minutes left to get this close. Let's move this across quickly. I'm not in this trade yet, but let's just wait for this close. Let's wait for this close. Stephen Bunting, our song. I suppose. Too far. Looking for UJ sales. Nah, bro, I've been waiting on UJ for buyers. I'd only be looking at buyers on UJ. If you look at the dollar's so strong right now. And we're anticipating a weak yen as well, so only makes sense to be buying UJ. Looking at gold chart, bro, the short entry was already here. Let's have a look. Yeah, I mean, for longs, we're just waiting for price to break out of this high, and then I'll be happy to look for longs. But yeah, we're just waiting first. It is a 5 minute fair value gap as well, so even a 5 minute close will be decent. GU 230 entry. So you're going GU longs. Happy to enter, buy anytime it goes below 33250. I don't know, man. I think that's very, very brave. Shorting the dollar right now is very brave. Very brave. We know the dollar's very strong. I know it's kind of slowing down right now, but I think it's way better to just wait for them longs. Same on GU. Rather wait for those sells rather than trying to be clever and trying to catch the buyers up. But fair play. See how it plays out. Expert Funding just packed it in, and I only got funded with them on Thursday. The whole website has a sorry letter on it. Expert Funding. Wow. Dear traders, this is not an easy message to write. After 1 year and 2 months operating, we have made the extremely difficult decision to close Expert Funding. Over the past year, we built something we were genuinely proud of. We funded traders worldwide, processed a high volume of payouts, and created real opportunities within the trading community. For that, we are deeply grateful to every single one of you who believed in us and supported the firm. However, the past few months have brought significant challenges. At the beginning of December, we experienced a major cyber attack that disrupted our infrastructure and internal systems. Shortly after, our advertising channels, including Facebook, were taken down, severely impacting new business inflow. At this time, we faced internal betrayal within our team, which further destabilised operations at a critical moment. Despite these setbacks, we made it a priority to honour our obligations. Over the last 2 months, we pushed to process as many payouts as possible. We are proud to say that approximately 95% of pending payouts have been completed. Unfortunately, due to the combined impact of the cyber attack, operational disruption and internal issues, the company has now reached a point of financial insolvency. As a result, we are formally closing the firm. For the remaining 5% of payouts, we are currently reviewing every case individually. While we cannot guarantee a full resolution to the bankruptcy process, we are making every possible effort to assess what can still be done in a structured and fair manner. We understand the disappointment and frustration this news may bring. Please know that the outcome was never the intention. We fought hard to keep the firm alive, but ultimately the circumstances were beyond recovery. To everyone who traded with us, supported us and believed in our vision, thank you. The community we built and the payouts we delivered over the past year was something we're very proud of. Further updates regarding the final administrative matter. Okay, cool. So these lot have just fucked it. 2 minutes left to see if we get this closed. W apology. Ever since MFF went down, I'd never buy an account with one of these new prop firms. Yeah, trust. I mean, Alpha Capital's the only one that I really trust. Alpha Capital and FTMO are the main ones that you should actually trust. Oh, mate. 2 minutes left. We can close below this. Yeah, we want to close above these fair value gaps. The CG, yeah, the CG is about to get cut. Luckily we had stop loss and break even on that. On Barking Road. We should have really reached the DTO, to be fair, but that's why I don't trade EG, man. It's so hard to fucking predict. But I was unlucky. To be fair, we closed. Wait, let me get that back on. He said close half profit and go break even at what? Where was we? I think it was about after this gig account. Well, about here. I don't know. You probably secured like 0.5% and then got break even, which is it's not actually so bad for these market conditions. Fucking hell. Young, I was easily led. God protect my kin, God you cannot trust, not her, not him. God bless him if I ever got the work of him. Shit. That aura, the aura from Lou. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. Yeah, I'm just bare ill, bro. They were definitely just yeah, defo. That's the. Well, I mean, that's basically what they've said. To be fair, that is what they said. To be fair. What's the price of this head? Just give me the drop when it takes 2 sets. I'll run Bullying set up the show. Right, we've had that close. So EJ didn't. GJ did though. So now we're gonna have to reassess the entry a little bit. I'll probably go for 50% just for the better RR. That's what I'll be looking for on GJ now. Now we've had that confirmation. Got in at GJW. Nice, bro. Lovely stuff. Lovely stuff. Got splash. Got splash. So GJ is closed above. Yen Basket's closed below, but GJ's closed above, but EJ hasn't. Chat, anyone else is trying to get in access to these all 4 giveaways, send me a message, man. Lou, do you burn the bean? Never burn the bean, bro. I never burn the bean. Who a better trader, you or me? It's basically the same, bro. EG signal got cooked. Yeah, we had stop loss at break even. We had stop loss at break even. Can't flip. Drink a Whisfest out the stall. You can see we had Euro GBP buy, stop loss to break even and close half profits. That was at 10.03, so what actually would have that have been? Where was we then? 10.03. Oh, that was actually a decent price, to be fair, that we closed at. So at this point here, let's see how much you actually would have got. So entry was at 9.25. So he closed half at 0.7, so yeah, 0.35%. It's not actually that bad. That bumps up the results on the week to 2% in total. Which actually isn't bad for a week like this at all. 2% in a week like this is actually calm, so I'm actually well happy with that. Well happy with that. That's a big dub. I don't know if I'm actually going to enter this, boys. I'll be real. I really don't like the way they're kind of unaligned. EJ's unaligned to... Yeah. I'm not liking the way this is rolling. Really not. I'm really not liking it, boys. I'll be honest with you. I'm not. Let's have a look at the 15-minute IFVG as an entry point. Literally just tapped in now. I mean, yeah, this was, I'd say, if you do want to jump in now. But I'm probably not going to be honest, boys. Yeah, this is probably where you jump in. I'm going to long off GG, I'll be real. I just don't like the look of it, bruv. It's moving too choppy. Do you withdraw for a wage or funded? Funded, bro. Think we got induced? Yeah, potentially. That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't want to really jump in, man. It's too choppy. It really is. The thing is that's annoying is UJ's different to GJ, which is different to EJ. They're all completely and utterly different, and the yen basket's different to that even further. So they're all just too different. Too different. To this dude in my dreams. Let's see, man. I'm really not trigger happy on GJ though at all. I'm not trigger happy on GJ at all. Fucking hell, this is painful, man. Yeah, all that work that was put in is instantly bodied. I'm glad I ain't executed. I haven't executed on anything yet today. Literally nothing. Even this EG I didn't execute on. The EG was actually a decent result, but I'm glad I haven't executed on anything just yet. Gold sand. Even gold, man. There's so much indecision in the market right now. Hopefully next week's better, man. This week's been so just choppy. So choppy. Do you pay for live futures on TradingView? I have premium, but futures have delay. No, I don't pay for futures, bro. I don't even trade futures anyway, but no, I don't. Lovely, I was in there. Alright. NFP coming, yeah, man. I mean, wait, is it NFP? Yeah. We've got a lot of news coming, man. That's probably why we are anticipating even more, but a lot of it is fundamentals. Yeah, news at 1:30, bro. 1:30 for the news. 1:30 for the news. Yeah, just pumping, man. Nothing's really tradable right now, I'll be real. Like, literally nothing. Obviously, EU and GU is just so weak, we can barely even look for anything. I'll keep this, actually.
Nostalgia.
Tea house up north or near the coast to the boy, there's both. Spend this bread on jewels or spend it on smoke.
Smoke, spend it on both.
Can't up this money from O or money from shows, man, can't up both. Passing the pattern business and a pattern up home, man, pattern them both. They jam me up for work to smoke. Trying to
Do it for both.
They want me back on soul, choosing chips and rats, trying to pattern me both. But I'm on road, yeah, the bones brown ones, I get love from both. Money young success, just let a young nigga go cover up both. Yeah, T-Box, CQ,
Ops and amazing.
doing up both. Too much beef on the streets, we're hitting 2 blocks, we're shooting up both. I know Feds will be back up in courts at the front of the judge, just
Doing that all.
how many times in jail was the bread on both, put peanut
Diabolical GJ Candle. Trust me, bro. Trust me.
rap, I'm doing it all. Everywhere and everywhere that gets smoky. Let the gang
Mind you, we are rejecting this in IFEG now. Fucking hell, man. This shit is so choppy, bro. Fuck me. So choppy. It's almost a joke how choppy this shit is. Fucking hell. This is ridiculous, man. This is insanity.
north or near the coast to the boy, there's both. Spend this bread on jewels or spend it on smoke, man, spend it on both.
This is actual insanity, chat. This is ridiculous.
Both. Passing the pattern business and a pattern up home, man, pattern them both. They jam me up for work to smoke, trying to do it for both. They want me back on soul, choosing chips and rats, trying to pattern me both. But I'm on
Fucking hell, bro.
from both.
We did tap into that inversion, man. We tapped into that IFEG and dumped.
Stand up, bro, for half a B until the pattern of court. How many long afternoons did I spend in the queue just bagging up both? Jailer scrambling eggs in the kettle, just wishing I could have it with toast. I'm gonna tell you a week was a Sunday roast, guys put it all in that bowl. To this life of sin, I'm dead, trying to make sure my heart is pure. First time we look for a time, maybe that's another fine.
Actually, cure.
I'm trying to get rich or die, fuck trying, I'd rather be dead than poor. I'm really out trying to govern it all, money, power, respect, and more.
Yeah, chat, if anyone is trying to get into our giveaway, so we are giving away 100k's worth of challenges. If you're trying to be entered into every single giveaway, you got to be part of the mentorship or signal. So DM me right now, and I'll send you a discount code for the mentorship or signals, and you can get access to all 4 giveaways. If you're just a free member, you're only going to get access to 1 of the giveaways. These markets are insane. Yeah, trust me, bro. Fucking insane.
Money and success, just let a young nigga go govern up both.
Shit's moving just ridiculous, bro.
Money and success, just let a young nigga go govern up both.
Moving absolutely stupid right now. Fucking hell. Wow. Again, I'm going to plot another entry, but I'm really not liking the look of them. It's just way too choppy, man. Way too choppy. Way too choppy, bro. I'll be real. Bro, what's your view on GU? Just wait for it to come up, bro, and then go down. What time is the giveaway, bro? I need to bop shop. Macy's going to be running it at 1:30, bro. Was you able to sort that code? Yeah, I'm just waiting for Mace to send it over to me, bro. Just still waiting. where'd you die? It's too volatile, Lou. Leave it out. Yeah, I'm most likely going to leave it, but GJ Long's... Okay. Changed this. Let me quickly, oh, yeah. Two seconds, chat. Let me put you on pause real quick. 2 secs, boys. Fuck's sake. Bruv.
She don't believe in shooting stars, but she believe in shoes and cars. Wood floors in the
2 secs, chat.
couture from the store's departments. You more like love to start shit. I'm more of the trips to Florida, order the hors d'oeuvres, views of the water, straight from a page of your favorite author. And the weather's so breezy, man, why can't life always be this easy? She in the mirror dancing so sleazy. I get a call like, where are you, Yeezy? And try to hit you with the old rocky till I got flashed by
With the
the
paparazzi.
Dang, these niggas got me. I hate these niggas more than
I know you had a show on, but I never thought that you would make it this far. What do I know? I know.
I know it's been a while, sweetheart. We talk. I was doing my thing. I know it was bad, baby. Hey, babe, lately you've been all on my brain. And if somebody would've told me a month ago, front and no, yo, I wouldn't wanna know. If somebody would've told me a year ago, it'd go get this difficult. Feeling like Katrina with no FEMA, like Martin with no Gina, like a flight with no visa. First class with the seat back, I still see ya in my past. You on the other side of the glass of my memories museum. I'm just saying, hey Mona Lisa, come home. You know you can't roam without Caesar.
Let's see how this one plays anyway, fuck it. Right, chat, I've just DM'd everyone. Everyone should know their code apart from the one person is Shay, but I'm still waiting on that Shay. I'm waiting for Maze to send that over. The only thing I'm waiting for. Take it this far. Just waiting on Shay, that's it. How's your trading week been going? Good, man. I'm about 1.5% up, which is... It's good for these market conditions, I'll be real. 1.7% up this week, which is actually alright for what we've had this week. There have been very little opportunities. Yeah, Shay, don't worry though, mate. I ain't forgot about you. Anyone else who's trying to enter the giveaway, boys, send me a DM on Discord right now. I can get you in the giveaway. If you send me a DM, I'll get you in the first giveaway. If you want to join the mentorship or signals, you're getting all 4 giveaways. One of them, you have a massive chance of winning as well. It's not negative, that's the main thing. Yeah, I mean, 2% a week's calm. That's all you really need. You trade lots or margin lots, bro. You have funded with any other prop firms. Yeah, bro, I've got funded with quite a few prop firms, but the main one that we always say is the best for you to go for is Alpha Capital Group. Alpha Capital Group are just doing shit that no one else is doing, I'll be real. Make sure as well, chat, if you do want to get an account with Alpha Capital Group, use my code, Richesse. You get 15% off. I don't want to be lonely no more. I don't want to be lonely no more. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Yo, wait, what? Wait, 2 secs, chat, wait. What are you man saying? Yo, what? Are you man trolling, bruv? Don't say shit like that. Oh, what? Oh, bro, what the fuck? Bro. Oh, bro, what? Bro, what the fuck? Oh, bro, what? Wait, what the fuck was that about, though? Yo, that's... Wait. Whoa. What the fuck was that? Bro, what the fuck? Oh, okay. Wait, what the fuck was that about, though? Yo, that's... Wait. Whoa. Oh, okay. Oh, well, that's why. Yeah, okay. Fuck me. Okay, well, yeah, I think it's because I'm streaming through the desktop. That's the reason, bro. It's that desktop audio. Wait, yeah, it says if I turn it off, then it's sweet. Fuck me. What the hell? Yeah, it was the music. I ain't doing that again. Fucking hell. Jesus, bro. That was fucking booky. That scared the life out of me. Can you play stuff? I can't play anything, bro. I'll be real. Yeah, it was because I was playing it through the actual... Because you lot can hear it. I did, yeah. It's better if you can just hear it through this. It's way better. We just play this non-copyright music. So you bet, yeah, bro. Literally, what the fuck is that about? I can't play any fucking songs, bro. Stop giving me song requests. It's the worst time to give me song requests. Fucking hell. That scared the shit out of me. Alright, let me make sure. Let me make sure this is copyright free music, okay? Fuck me, bro. That scared the shit out of me, bruv. Yeah, trust me. Even I wanted some Millie by Lil Wayne, which you print this year. Ah, fuck. Yeah, trust me, boy. That actually scared the genuine. Yeah, I just told Mace about it, to be fair. That actually scared the life out of me, bro. I'm not gonna lie. That actually scared the actual shit out of me. We cannot lose this YouTube. Yeah, I'm just gonna play copyright free music. I didn't actually realise that was a thing, bro. Boys. Yo, Munger and C, drop me a message on Discord, man. I'm waiting for you, man. Adzi as well, drop me a message on Discord. I'm waiting for you as well. S Capital, when I jump off, I'm going to get you signed up, bro. When's the 812 coming? Wait, what's that, bro? Did you get... Nah, bro. I'll show you what it said. Show you what it said. It said... At least I know that now, innit? At least I know that. It said, due to a copyright match, your stream was interrupted. Streams are interrupted when copyright content is detected. After copyright material is no longer being streamed, streams are automatically re-enabled. It's probably the long neck song. It was Defo Juice WRLD, isn't it? Guy ain't even alive, bro, and they're fucking... Fucking hell. Fucking hell, bro. PDF, yeah. So DM me PDF, bro. I can send that PDF over to you. Boys, we are going to be running the New York the giveaway at 1:30 p.m. So everyone get in the Discord for that. We're going to be running it on Discord, so make sure you get into my Discord. Trust me, Fletch, bro. That would have been so peak. That actually would have been so peak. Yeah, we are going to have to listen to choir bangers from here on out. But yeah, boys, everyone make sure you get in the Discord. We are going to be running the giveaway on Discord. Remember, if you are still trying to get in to the giveaway, send me a message, boys, and I'll get you into the giveaway. If you are a free member, you're going to get access to one of the giveaways. If you join the Mentorship or Signals today, you're going to get access to 4 giveaways, one of which you are about 25% likely to win. We are giving away 4 25k accounts. And obviously 25k accounts like 150 quid, so it's nothing to be stiffed at. Yeah, we're back. Well, 1:30 on the Discord, boys. If you are trying to get in the giveaway, 1:30 on the Discord. Everyone get in there. I need a coffee, bro. Everyone get in the Discord. This giveaway is going to pop off, boys. Yeah, it's going to have to be copyright-free music from now on. Are the accounts 2-step? Yeah, bro, they're 2-step 25k accounts. Fucking hell. Do you reckon I'll be set up before the giveaway starts? Yeah, defo, Shay. I just need to make you a link. That's what I need to do for you, Shay. I just need to make you a link. I'll send it over to you. As soon as I jump off, I'll message you at 12:30. And the giveaway is going to get run at 1:30, so you'll have more than enough time, bro. Don't worry. Play any India song. Any India song. What is there? Just copyright, just not a thing in India. On demand or bi-weekly payouts. Fucking hell, John's acting like he's already got the account. It'll probably be bi-weekly, bro. I'm not actually too sure, though. I'll have to double check. Worry about that when you win the giveaway and then get your payout, though. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, bro. I don't want to be lonely no more. I don't. Should really continue down from here, to be honest. GJ should really continue up from here. Everyone who's messaged me, boys, I'm getting you signed up right now. I'm trying to go through all my messages, boys. If you are trying to get in the giveaway, send me a message and I'll make sure you're in there. If you're trying to get in all 4 giveaways and you're trying to get access to the discount of the Mentorship or Signals, send me a DM and I'll get you in that as well. Yeah, we should really just continue down now on the yen basket, to be honest. To this low. What's EJ saying? Is EJ starting to reverse yet or what? EJ obviously still hasn't inverted this, so we are waiting for this on EJ. Yeah, UJ, as we said, we're only really interested in buyers, but it's going to be a little bit unlikely. Oil still climbing. Mate, ALG on oil recently has been fucking nice. DM me. What's your name, C1? What's your name? Just getting back to everyone's messages now, boys. Fucking hell, this TikTok has gone dead right now. It's because I had to put you man on pause while I was sorting out this YouTube thing. So I do apologise for that, but had to be done. I'll be real, I had to check what that was. That actually scared the shit out of me, I'm not gonna lie. That's the most scared I've been in ages. That actually fucking made my heart jump. Just joined in on the GJ pricing 4-hour buy structure. Fair play, bro. Did you enter GJ? I did enter in the end on a small risk. I did enter in the end. Let me quickly show my YouTube stream. Chat, if you want to see my P&L, go to the YouTube stream. I'm going to show you lot right now. I've taken only a small amount of risk though, boys, so I didn't want to send it to the signals or send it to the community because it's just very risky of a trade. So I've only risked a little bit on there. I've only risked a tiny bit on there. We do have news soon as well, in 2 hours time, so that probably is going to have a pretty big effect on it. Bro, that would have been peak, man. I fucking took us bare long to build up this account. Yeah, make sure you're in the Discord, boys, so you can get onto that giveaway. I only put half on this. Yeah, me too, bro. I only put half. Nothing else is really looking good, man. Or I would have a look at some other pairs, but nothing's really looking good. I've just dropped a text into the Discord asking if anyone's in any trades right now, but I doubt they are, really. What's Solana saying? Is Solana still dumping? Okay, Solana's kind of been surviving a little bit this month. It's actually finding a little bit of support at, yeah, about the $80 mark. Right, let's see what trade some people are in. Junior is in last line of defense for GJ bearish trend. Okay, so JR's in shorts. I like the way he's put that last line of defense. So this right here. Junior is one of our members who's currently doing one-to-one sessions. So if you are trying to get in one-to-ones, man, then lock in. I got denied a payout with ACG for over leveraging, but can you sort something out because it's my first payout with them? I'll be real, bro. If you've broken a rule, I can't sort nothing out. Like, if you broke a rule, you've broke a rule. I can't do nothing about that. If it's for no reason, then yeah. But if you've actually over leveraged, then like I can't bend the rules. I could just make sure you get justice. But if you've gone past the rules and that, I can't really do nothing about that. Unfortunately, bro. How do I book a 1-to-1? What's your name, Alan, on Discord? I'll send you a message right now. They're amazing, the 1-to-1s. Yeah, and I appreciate that, Drift King, man. If you've got like the timing and money to do it, it's definitely the best way to go. 100%. Glad you're liking them, Noah Junior. Gav, let me drop you a message, Gav. Oh, he's also in the EU short. Nice. Mate, you absolutely cooked with that, Junior. When did you enter that? It must have been fucking early. Was that a DTO trade? Yeah, I think that was a DTO trade. Yeah, nice. Banging. Send your profits in from that. That's a lovely one, man. Lovely. That's lovely. EU moving beautiful right now. Let me send you a DM, Gav. Gav. Just sent you a message, Gav. Just sent you a message. The basket's kind of flying up. Well, very much flying up. We know it can be choppy as absolute shit, though, so kind of got to take it with a pinch of salt. That's what we've learnt this morning. Fucking hell. We're going to get another Giga candle, are we? Yeah, it looks like this is heading straight to stop loss. Sick. Fuck me. Markets today, bro, I swear to God, have been insane. Been absolutely insane. I mean, we have been really maintaining since about 10 o'clock. We have been maintaining this bearish trend, but it's just these fucking massive, massive candles that I really don't like. Really don't like these fuck off candles. Shows that we're kind of indecisive right now about where we want to head. See if we re-tap into this. It's NFP, bro. Yeah, trust me. Yeah, but bro, it's just in the range. I was about to say, yeah, man. It is NFP. It is normal that this is what happens, boys. We are going to be running the giveaway, boys, at 1:30. So everyone make sure you're in the Discord at 1:30. Everyone make sure you are in the Discord at 1:30. It's too choppy to even bother analysing this lower time frame. Sort of just got to go on the higher time frame. Stick to your bias. It's all you can really do. What's gold been doing? Okay, gold actually, again, gold broke out of the range finally, but again, just came down. There's clearly just loads of anticipation for this news. Everything's really just, like, super, super choppy. Even EUGU. There's no entries on EUGU. It's just sliding to the downside. Yeah, I don't know how people manage to get in Eat Well. To be fair, yeah. I think a few people said they got in EU sales from this order block right here, which is nice. Stop loss here. If you did get in that, then fuck me. That's a beautiful position. Couldn't have really hoped for much better than what you got. It's still dumping right now as well. Just one of those days, blood. I think we should just wait for news. Yeah, defo. I mean, my advice to ICT doesn't work anymore. You saw his tweet, I'm assuming. He just said that to engagement file, bro. And he said it doesn't work on futures. That's why he switched to Forex. We've always traded Forex anyway. Don't know why people even trade futures, man. People say it's so much better, but bro, like the price action is actually so bad. Like, so shit. So shit. There's just nothing you can really go off on NASDAQ. Like, look at this. For the last... This is the daily chart, bear in mind. We actually haven't moved out of this fucking consolidation. We haven't moved out of this consolidation since fucking the start of October. I don't know how people actually try to trade NASDAQ. And they claim it's way better. It's just not. Like, look at this. There's just nothing in that. When did he tweet that? I was trying to find the tweet. Apparently it was Cap. Yeah, the comment, he put a comment on it where it was like, oh, like he commented under the tweet saying, oh, people are going to come back to this without reading the full tweet and say that I was... Let me find it. He said they changed the algorithm. Here it is. Peers say they changed the algorithm, pack it in. Years from now, dimwits will share this post out of context and fools will believe it. He forgot to include that in your withdrawal too. Are you serious? And he put that. Let's see what he says. If we could trust the economic data, which I don't anymore, we could hope to see NFP break free of this range. I think they are making money leaving it wound up tight and emotions are forcing over trading. The fees add up across everyone trading it. Buying and selling pressures are equal, some would say. Assume you use the Asia range for your setups. How would you use this range? This is a daily chart of NQ. It has been held in a holding pattern. This is high manipulation under high resistance liquidity run conditions. In short, you must trade intraday charts like 1 minute or you're going to struggle with stop outs and failed launches. Or you can boycott it entirely. Skill set should be the defining factor, not impulsiveness. Actually learnt a lot from the guy. Yeah, nice, man. Futures, they get the same price all around the world on like Forex. Yeah, bro, that's why people prefer it. But you got to look at how shit the price action actually is. Price action's fucking terrible, man. Morning organic. What you saying, bro? Yeah, Euro JPY is giving a lot of a different story compared to GJ. Want to see really where we go from here. If anyone's DM me for the access to the giveaway, message you right now. Markets have got high anticipation for this news. Very high anticipation for this news. Again, we've been in this range, man. If we go on the daily, we can see we've been just touching around this range for fucking so long. So I don't really understand how people even trade this shit. Like, just consolidates so much. I mean, ICT was basically saying if you're not trading on the 1 minute, then you're cooked, which does kind of make sense. But even if you do trade on the 1 minute, you're asking to get cooked anyway. I think you just got to lower your RR, man. I think that's the only way. Just lower your risk to reward. I don't be lonely no more. I don't be lonely. Is UJ? Even UJ's not actually coming down. If to trade 1 minute, you have to be precise as fuck. No room for fuck ups or you get cooked. Literally, bro. You're just asking to get cooked if you're trading in 1 minute. But that's why I think Forex is always going to be better. Always going to be better than NASDAQ. And you got to think NASDAQ's a new thing. Everyone suddenly decided in 2025 that NASDAQ's the best thing to trade. The NASDAQ and the S&P is by far the best things to trade. And everyone believed what people were saying on the internet. That NASDAQ's amazing to trade. It doesn't really have the test of time. Forex stands the test of time. Forex markets stand the test of time. That's the major difference between the two. People have been trading Forex like on an intraday basis for fucking years. NASDAQ's just a new thing. I mean, I know there's some people that have been trading it for years, but it's very much like a social media craze. Really. It's like just because TJR said that you're brain dead if you trade Forex, then everyone trade NASDAQ. GJ is cooked. I don't know, man. It's just, yeah, I mean, it's just moving fucking weird right now, to be honest. I'll just leave it, man. We've got news at 1:30, so we've got news in an hour and a half time. I'm going to be off in 5 minutes anyway. We're going to be running the giveaway on the Discord at 12 o'clock. Going to be running the giveaway at 12 o'clock anyway. Hey, Matt, longest time. Missed you, bruv. Yeah, man. Good to see you back in here, bro. Been a long time, famsy. Yeah, Nordic Power. I sent you a DM, by the way, bro. Oh. Oh my god, bro. What the fuck is wrong with the Notes app? Any setups with Bitcoin and gold? Not really, bro. NFP today, yeah. I mean, gold was looking at potential buys, but the market's too choppy. To be fair, chat, my best advice would be just don't touch anything at all. Just don't touch anything at all until news comes through. There's no point. Everything's way too choppy. Way too... I mean, the week as a whole on GU and EU has just been literally up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. The whole entire week's been up, down, up, down. Same with EU. Up, down, up, down. We look at the yen basket. Just literally just chopping. If you go on the 1 minute, you can see we have a chop down and then up and then down and then up and then down. It's too much. I wouldn't be looking to get into absolutely anything right now. Best advice would be steer fucking very clear of this market. Yeah, UJ's gone as well. I don't even know I've still got that on there. EJ looks like this order block's going to get ran through. Yeah, we're just massively anticipating this news. Everything's unaligned. The pound, the euro, the yen, the dollar, they're all moving completely opposite to each other. Completely opposite. Normally we at least get EU and GU, or at least GJ and EJ moving the same. They're just completely unaligned. Nothing's in alignment right now. Absolutely nothing. So the best advice is just to stay fucking very clear of these markets. There's no need to waste your capital. You'd be throwing money down a drain. Trying to trade something that's just clearly not tradable. Clearly not tradable. See that this GJ absolutely getting ran through, man. Absolutely getting bodied. Yo, Richesse, about to buy the couch. Should I do 1 step or 2 step? I'm using your code. I would do 2 step, bro. I would do 2 step, brother. I would do 2 step, bro. I would do 2 step. Let me double check. Sorry, 2 secs, boys. I'll do 2 step. Yeah, man. Right, I'm going to jump off now, chat. Remember, 1:30 p.m. PM, obviously PM. 1:30 p.m. Get in the Discord, boys. Everyone get in the Discord. I'm going to be signing everyone up to their giveaways. Everyone who's dropped me a message, I'm going to be signing you all up to the giveaway. Everyone get in the Discord. 1:30, we're going to give away 100k's worth of accounts. So that is 4 25k accounts we're going to be giving away, boys. You're lagging a bit. Yeah, I'm going to jump off now anyway. Alpha Pro or Alpha Swing. I'd go Alpha Pro, bro. Alpha Pro. But yeah, appreciate you, man, watching. Everyone, make sure you're in the Discord, boys, for this giveaway. Appreciate you lot watching. And I'll see you at 1:30 for the giveaway, people. Sweet, boys. Oh, mate. Alright, yeah, chat. I'll see you lot for the giveaway. Remember, let me just quickly go through how the giveaway's working. So, if you if you are a free member, you're not a part of the Signals or Mentorship, you're going to get into a giveaway for a 25k funded account. If you are a Signals or Mentorship trader, so you're part of our Signal group or our Mentorship group, you're going to get 2 25k giveaways. And also, obviously, the free one. So you're going to get a total of 3 giveaways. And if you're a new sign up, someone who signed up today or this week, but today, let's say you signed up today, you're going to get yet another 25k giveaway. So you're going to get the free one, the Signal, the Mentorship one, and you're also going to get a separate one just for you lot. Now, let me just go through the numbers of this. So the free one, there's probably going to be about 100 entries. That's actually, let's start with here. So the new sign-ups, you're probably going to have, there's probably going to be about, I'd say about 8 people. Okay, so you're going to have 1 of 8 of you is going to win this account. Okay, let me actually change the colour. So you've got a 1 in 8 chance of winning if you do sign up to the Signals or Mentorship right now, today. If you are a Signal or Mentorship trader, there's probably about, I'd say, maybe 100, maybe about 80. Let's say 100 of you. So you're going to have a 1 in a 100 chance of winning. And if you are a free member, then obviously you're going to have, again, there's probably going to be another 100 entries. So you're going to have a 1 in 200 chance of winning. So, yeah, you got 1 in 200 chance of winning if you're in the free. 1 in 100 chance of winning if you're already a member. And if you are a sign-up that's just signed up today, you're going to have a 1 in 8 chance of winning your account. And then also this and this. So, yeah, if you are trying to sign up right now, send me a message saying either Mentorship or Signals. If you drop me a message saying Mentorship, I'm going to give you a 25% discount. If you drop me a message saying Signals, I'm going to give you a 50% discount. And you can get in either of those and claim your 1 out of 8 chance of winning. So, boys, I'll be checking my DMs. Everyone drop me a message right now. If you are trying to get in, if you're a free member, just message me, free giveaway. If you're trying to get signed up for one of these discounts and you're trying to get in the big chance of winning, then drop me a message saying either Signals or Mentorship, whichever one you're trying to join, and I'll get you in. So, yeah, I appreciate all you man tuning in, boys. Remember, 1:30 in the Discord, we're going to be giving it away. So, I appreciate all you man tuning in. Discord at 1:30. Drop me a message on Discord, and 1:30 we're going to be running it. So, I appreciate all you man tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one, people. Sweet, boys.